Everybody, today I have this 2012 Freightliner Cascadia. This truck has oil in the coolant. As you can see, it's all oily, and the cap is full with oil, as you can see. This is a DD15 engine, so everybody will think that this problem is caused because of the oil cooler, because the oil cooler goes bad and start letting oil go to the coolant system. After paying closer attention to the oil, it doesn't look like engine oil. It looks like transmission oil. It smells like a transmission oil. Transmission cooling lines are this one, the one goes to the radiator. So once I open the line, I still have you can see water coming from the transmission lines. As you can see, pure water. So the transmission cooler is bad. The transmission then goes inside the radiator. So I need to replace the radiator to fix this problem. So now you know, if you see oil on your coolant tank and it smells different than the engine oil, you have to check the transmission cooler, because in this case, as you can see, it's still dripping water. So this is not good. So to fix this problem, I need to replace the transmission fluid and the radiator and clean the coolant system, because this is gonna cause a bigger problem if we leave it just like that. So if you wanna know how to replace the radiator, you can look at my video at the description below for details how to remove the radiator. And to replace the transmission oil, well, that doesn't require special tools or nothing. It will vary depending on the application and year of the truck. If your coolant tank has oil, always inspect the condition of the oil, the color, the smell of the oil, because in this case I can go straight and replace the oil cooler. But after replacing the oil cooler, I'm gonna still have the same problem, and this will cause a big problem, because you're gonna have the same problem on the road and you're gonna cost more money after that to fix it. If you don't see water coming from the transmission lines, that means that the oil cooler is bad. But in this case, there is pure water coming from the transmission lines, that means that the transmission cooler inside the radiator is the one that is bad. You can see this is the transmission oil on the truck. It's all mixed up with coolant or water, whatever was in the coolant system. So this is really bad. Remember to replace the transmission fluid if this happens to your radiator on your Cascadia. And after you replace it, I recommend you to replace it again, maybe after your first trip, to eliminate any water contamination that is still gonna be in the system. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.